To manage your workforce and organizational structure, navigate to the sidebar and select the My Team tool. In the Direct Reports tab, you can view a list of team members who report to you, along with their roles and designations. Switch to the Organogram tab to visualize your company's hierarchy. Use the zoom controls to explore the reporting lines in detail. Navigate to the Performance tab to monitor key metrics, including total tasks, achievements, and individual skill levels for your team. Open the skill matrix to see a heat map of team competences. You can click any cell to assign or update a specific proficiency level of your team members. Select a specific team member from the list to view their full profile, including basic information and assigned reporters. Switch to the Files tab within a user's profile to upload essential documents, such as identity proof or professional certifications. When uploading, enter a file name and choose a category. Then set an expiry date to keep your team's compliance records up to date. Review the user's OKR goals and achievements by switching through the respective tabs. Under the Skills tab, you can visualize individual growth through a radar chart. And click Assign Skill to add new competences. Choose a skill and proficiency level from the drop-down menus to accurately reflect the team member's current expertises. Navigate to the Performance tab for a detailed report on overall scores, task distribution, and key performance indicators. To manage the broader organization, click User Management to access the full active user list and administrative settings. Click Add User to invite a new team member. You can upload a profile photo and enter their primary contact details. Select their organizational role and expand the Profile Information section to enter professional details. And define their place in the hierarchy by selecting Reporting Users. To update existing information, select a user and click the Edit icon to modify their profile information or other details. Finally, navigate back to your main team view to see your updated workforce and reporting structure at a glance.